Let's find the factors of 90 together. To find the factors of 90, divide 90 by 1, 90 by 2, 90 by 3, 90 by 4. Divide it until you get to 11. So when you have listed this, you want to find the factors of 90. One person has been told to go and share 90 mangoes or pens or oranges. That person will take all the 90. So we say the divisor and the divisor and the quotient becomes factors of 90. Two people have been asked to go and share 90 oranges or 90 mangoes. Two people will share 4, we share the 9, 4, remainder 1. When you put it here, 2 we divide the 10, 5. Because there is no remainder, we say 2 and 45, which is the divisor and the quotient are factors of 90. 3 people are going to share 90 oranges. 3 will go into 9, or 3 will divide the 9, 3. There is no remainder. 3 will divide 0, 0. So we say 3 and 30 are factors of 90. 4 will divide the 9, 2, remainder 1. When we put it here, we get 10. 4 will divide the 10, 2, remainder 2. Because there is a remainder, 4 and 22 are not factors of 90. 5 will divide the 9, 1, remainder 4. When you put it here, it's 40. 5 times 8 is 40, so 5 will divide 40 8 times. Because there is no remainder, we say 5 and the 18 are factors of 90. 6 will divide the 9, 1, remainder 3. When you put it here, 30. 6 will divide the 30, 5. Because there is no remainder, we say the divisor and then the quotient, 15, are factors of 90. 7 will divide the 9, 1, remainder 2. When you put it here, 7 will divide 20, 2 times, that is 2, 7, 14. 20 minus 14 is 6. So we say, because there is a remainder, 7 and 12 are not factors of 90. 8 will divide 9, 1, remainder 1. When you put it here, you get 10. 8 will divide the 10, 1, remainder 2. Because there is a remainder, 8 is not a factor of 90. 9 will divide 9, 1. 9 will divide 0. Because there is no remainder, it means 9 and 10 are factors of 90. 10 will divide 9, 0. Join the 0. 10 will divide the 90, 9. Because 9 times 10 is 90. Because there is no remainder, we say the divisor and the quotient. Because the quotient is less than the divisor, we will report or write the quotient first. They will say 9 and 10 are factors. You get the same thing. It is only 9 replacing 10 or 10 replacing over there. So you get the same thing. 11 divides 9 is 0. Join the 0 here to become 90. 11 divides 90 is 8, because 8 times 11 is 88. 90 minus 88 is 2. And so we say, because there is a remainder, 8 and 11 are not factors of 90. Then we can simply conclude that the factors of 90 are the numbers that divided the 90 without a remainder. Then we list them in ascending order. We list them in ascending order. So 1, factors of 91, 2, 3, no 4, 5, 6, no 7, no 8, 9, 10, 15, 30, 45, and then the 90 itself. These are the factors of 90. If you have to find the factors of 90, these are the factors of 90 that you can get coming from here. Because of space, it has gone down. The factors of 90 have gone down. So I'm going to write them here again. for you to see clearly. Factors of 90 are now 1, 3, are now 1, 2, 3, 5. 5. After 5, we have 6. We also have 9. We have 15. We have 18. We have 30. We have 45. And then 90 itself. So these are basically the factors of 90. This is how we can find factors of 90. Divide the 90 by 1, by 2, by 3, by 4, all the way to the end. It is very important to know how to find the factors, because without factors, you cannot be doing simple divisions, simple cancellations of numbers to reduce fractions. So you must learn it. So factors of 90, here it is. Now let's continue to solve this simple fraction question. And this is where the factors will come in more. So first of all, here there is a mixed fraction. In this question, there is a mixed fraction. So change the mixed fraction. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 is 15. How do we change mixed fraction into improper fraction? Multiply the whole number by the denominator, put them in bracket and add the numerator, divide all of them by the denominator. Then multiply what is in the bracket first. 7 times 2 is 14 plus 1 over 2. 14 plus 1 is 15 over 2. That is how come we get this one. How to change mixed fractions into improper fractions. So when you come here, times into bracket, here it is direct proper fraction, because there are no mixed fractions. We are going to find the LCM. That is between 8 and 24, the LCM is 24. How many times will 8 divide 24? 8 1, 8, 8 2, 16, 8 3, 24, so 1, 3. The 3 will multiply the 7 here, so that is going to be 21. How many times will 24 divide 24? It is going to be 1. 1 times 5 is 5. The next step, make sure these things are following each other. So we say 8 will divide 24, 3. 3 7, 21. Minus 24 divides 24, 1. 1 times 5 is 5. Good. So you have 15 divided by 2 times 21 minus 5. You are owing somebody 5, but you have not to work to get 21. Addition of positives and negatives. You are owing or you own. Positive, you own. Negative, you owe. So when you owe, you have to go and pay. When you pay, it is either you are left with something for yourself or you still owe. That is when what you owe is more than what you are owing, then it becomes the fact that you are having more debt to pay. But if what you own is more than what you owe, then when you pay your debt, you still have some onto yourself. Negative and positive addition. So 21 minus 5 will give us 16 divided by 24. So we have cleared the bracket. Now it is down to multiplication of fractions. You check between 15 and 2. If there are common factors, then you do the cancellation here. Because if there is common factors, you see between 15 and this is a prime number, this is a composite number. They don't have common factors. Between 16 and 24, for instance, the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 24, and 16, sorry. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and then the 24 is a common factors are 1, 2, 4, 8. The highest common factor is 8. So we say 8 can divide, look at it carefully. So when you take 16 over 24, you can say 16 divided by the highest common factor, 8, divided 24 divided by the highest common factor. And that will give you 8 divides here 2 and divides here 3. So you now have 2 over 3. That is why we can say 8 will divide 16, 2, and divide 24, 3. So you have 15 over 2 times 2 over 3. That's what we have. Then you continue with between 15 and 2. We've found that we don't have common factors, so we cannot divide it. 2 over 3, we cannot divide it. But between 15 and 3, between 15 and 3, just as we have listed the factors here, when you know the factors, you see that factors of 15, you have 1, 3, 5, and 15. Factors of 3, 1 and 3. Common factors are 1, 3. Highest common factor is 3. So 15 divided by 3 will give you 5. And 3 divided by 3 will give you 1. So 3 divides itself 1. Divide 15 5 times. Then we now check. 2 will divide itself 1 and divide the 2 here 1. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 1 is 1. So that 5 divided by 1 is 5. So this is the final answer. Most of the calculations, you need to do a lot of rough work, and that is what will let you get the correct answer. Where you have to multiply, you multiply. Where you have to subtract, you do the subtraction. Some of the steps that are brought in are not necessary, but just because we are learning, that is why I have to go through all of them. But during examination, some of them you have to process it mentally and then you bring it in so that you don't waste the time. But this one is because we are learning. So continue to enjoy the lessons on the Star Academy channel. Share with a friend, follow the page, join the VIP WhatsApp group. The link is there. Join it. Mom and dads, let your daughter or son who is in upper primary or JHS join the Star Academy channel because a lot of informations are available. We are going to do a lot of learnings to make sure that your ward performs excellently during the examinations ahead of them. So continue to join the Star Academy channel. Follow, share, comment, and then make sure some goodies keep coming. Continue. I have more write-ups for you on the lesson. Copy them down and learn them for more knowledge. More lessons and solutions for you to continue to prepare adequately towards our examinations so that 2027 BEC will be in serious trouble. We will massacre it with a lot of joy. A lot of solutions have been uploaded. Follow and share, follow and share. More solved BEC questions. Good luck. Good luck. I love you all.